On this hunt, I'm with my good buddy Blake Johnson. Blake told me he had seen a very large tom with a few hens in this area the evening before. We decided to slip in before daylight and try and kill him. We didn't get very much footage of this hunt, but boy, what a bird.
Good shot, buddy.
Well, that was fun. Wow, I'm actually shaking.
I am too, man. A big time.
Thank you.
Hey,
Thank you.
put her there. That's a heck of a bird, too. What a rope. Good job, buddy.
Hey, appreciate it.
That's
Yeah,
that's what we want right there, ain't it?
Does he have a head left?
I don't know, but you put it on him.
Chucker.
Johnson breed duo again.
2013.
Yeah. Oh, God dang it, boy. He hung up big time on us.
Yeah.
Didn't get much pre-roll on this deal here, but had a hen and a Jake come in right away this morning after the rain kind of let up. I'm just shaking.
Yeah.
God, he just came in and just beautiful, man. Just beautiful. Oh,
I asked Hutch, I go, is he coming in? He looks at me and he says, yep, he's coming in. I'm like, where is he? I look out there.
Boy, he hung up, boy. I don't
Oh,
know.
that is a beautiful bird.
It is. That is a rope, dude. Good work. God dang it.
Farm 2013.
Called him.
Breed Johnson.
Yep. 10 yards. Just, I mean, he's a dandy, man. He is a freaking dandy. We'll go out and take a look at him here and, get a little roll, huh? Get you worked?
Yeah, it did.
That was that was a solid, because I'm sure he probably had some hens with him. Or, them hens that were here worked out that way.
Yep.
And got him to frickin' commit, man. I think the gobbler might have put the nail in the coffin on that one.
I think so.
I
think so.
I think it just worked him. you
Yeah.
know?
Pretty
So,
mature bird.
Very. So we'll get some footage here because I think he's probably got some pretty good hooks on him. I think he's probably a 3 or 4 year old bird. He's a dandy. So stay tuned. After examination here, we got a little dirt here, but God, he's a beautiful bird. Got just some. I'll get you up close here, but the hooks on this thing are for real. Grab that side of that fan. Heck of a bird. Just fully mature. spurs actually curve on him. I mean, he is a mature bird.
Beautiful animal.
You bet. I'll bring them. These are some serious hooks, man. Those babies are the real deal. I don't know if I've ever seen a pair of hooks on a bird like that, but them things are real. Awesome, awesome, awesome.